Today we are going to be doing a PowerPoint on World War One versus World War Two. Today we will be comparing World War One versus World War Two. On this slide, you can select which war you'd like to see information on by clicking on the images. Let's go ahead and choose World War One first. World War One took place from 1914 to 1918, which is a total of 4 years fought in the trenches. The triggers and causes of World War One were the assassination of Archduke Francis Ferdinand, imperialism, nationalism, alliance system, and militarism. You can click on each of these links to watch videos on each of these triggers and causes. The two competitors in World War One were the Central Powers, which consisted of Germany, Austria, and Turkey, versus the Allied Powers, which were France, Britain, Russia, Italy, Japan, and the United States. The outcome of this war resulted in empires defeated. The League of Nations was formed in hopes of preventing other conflict. Now this is the end of World War One information. Click the word here to go back to the main slide. Now let's click on World War Two. World War II took place from 1939 to 1945, which is a total of 6 years. In these 6 years, 2 atomic bombs were dropped on Japan. The triggers and causes of this war were political and economic instability in Germany and Adolf Hitler and alliance. The competitors consisted of the Axis powers, which were Germany, Italy, and Japan, versus the Allied powers, once again composed of France, Britain, the United States, the Soviet Union, and China. The war ended in total victory of the Allied powers over Germany and Japan. The United Nations was formed to prevent further conflicts.